Good afternoon and welcome to Toolforce Tuesday. This week we are giving you a look at the new Milwaukee Backpack Blower that has just arrived into stock. So this is an M18 model. It can operate on either 2 or for longer runtime it can operate on 4 batteries. Comfortable harness to use it for prolonged periods of time. It can go to full power on under 1 second and also produces up to 250 km/h of wind. We're going to put it on and bring it outside and show you it in use. Okay, so we have it all strapped on, ready to go. So we're going to show you the control module. So you've got 3 different settings. So low, medium and high. You've also got a battery indicator here. Couple of adjustments that you have. You can adjust the handle where it's positioned so it's comfortable to use as you wish. Also the pipe can extend so it's closer to the ground. Quite powerful, up to 250 km/h it can produce. You can have great fun clearing the yard with this. You can click the link on this video, it'll bring you straight to it on our website. Thank you very much for watching. It's Damien from Toolforce.